So in the previous video, I was mentioning the importance of like starting and doing anything at all in the best state of yours, in the moment when you are feeling really inspired, positive, happy, and dedicating that time to yourself to get in that state before you do anything, because it will just make your manifestations way more easier. So I would like to mention some of them that are really helpful, and it's great to know what works for you, so you can during a day get your 3 minutes, become feeling better, and then do the things that you are supposed to do. So the first thing that is something that unites us as a human being is music. Many people have to dance, many people have to listen to the music, and many people have to sing. I love to sing, and if I sing 2 songs that of favorite of mine, I start feeling way better. So then when I tune into myself in this happy state, I can do the calls, or I can do the things. So maybe for you it's dancing, or maybe it's really just listening to your favorite songs. But if you give yourself this 5 minutes, and you know it's making you feel better, then it's always worth it. The second thing that is great, and it works very well, is nature. And the nature, by nature I mean flowers, animals, anything, because you can go walk for 20 minutes to the forest and smell the trees and smell the grass, and just like let the nature harmonize you. But at the same time, if you are in the city, you can just walk with your dog, or you can go to the garden or to the balcony, or just smell the flower. And the nature does it for you. You don't have to do much, just dedicated time to you. So that's my second tip. The third tip, I have this morning routine of meditation. I love to chant mantras. It does take time. It might not be for everyone, but it works great. So if you haven't tried yet, I really recommend meditation. And you know, the morning routine is amazing because you start your day already in the best state ever. You are already like feeling good. So the day starts with the right kick, and the things just go a little bit easier than normally they would go. My fourth tip is, in the times when I did have time, I love to see great movies. And the great movie, even if it's not the fun one, but maybe dramatic movie, but it makes you feel good, it makes you feel inspired, amazed by this world, then it's an awesome tool to be used. And you can actually, if you don't have 2 hours to watch that movie, you can get just only the scenes that are making you feel great, and you can just repeat them whenever you need it and start to feeling better. So the great movies, I would definitely say it's something that works. Then of course it's movement, exercise. And I'm not a fitness coach, but moving of your body for 10-15 minutes, and it can be really just walking, it can be biking, swimming, running, yoga, it doesn't matter. Just moving the body change the internal state, change the thoughts. And if you enjoy doing that, you can do it for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes do the calls or do doings. So the fourth is exercise. Then I would definitely say that for somebody who is extroverted, the calling to a friend might be a great thing how to tune, because you can share all your fears or your doubts, thoughts with a friend, and after you finish your talking, you feel better. If you are more introverted like I am, then spending time alone works also the same way. Like getting your tea or your coffee and just looking out of window and watching birds or sunrise, and then it actually like brings this emptiness and this clarity into you, and now you're starting to feel well in this silence, and you can do the things. So yeah, calling a friend or spending time alone depends on what's best for you. And then the last thing that I really think also works for very many people is water, like getting a bath or uh, taking a shower, going to swim to a lake. And in the shower, you can actually sing, so you can do both things at once. And you know, if you pick up all the energies during a day, you get refreshed and new, and you can get there the new ideas. And the water and her cleansing works like magic. So if the water is the one, then use it, you know, bring yourself to this great state before you start planning, doing, or just texting, writing your steps. Thanks.